This isn't just an astronomical event. It's a warning from God. Listen carefully to the end. Two major signs of the Lord's return are appearing at the same time. Escalating conflict between the US, Israel, and Iran, and a blood moon in the sky. The Bible told us long ago, all these are the beginning of sorrows, Matthew 24:8. The world is falling into turmoil. Fires, floods, wars, and rumors of wars. Yet many believers are still asleep. Don't wait until it's too late to realize. Is your name really recorded in the book of life? The Bible says, and whoever was not found written in the book of life was cast into the lake of fire, Revelation 20:15. Believing in Jesus is not the same as following Jesus. Going to church doesn't mean you're saved. Saying, Lord, Lord, doesn't guarantee a place in heaven. Having money or popularity won't keep you from being left behind. So how can you be sure your name is written in the book of life? Dear God, please save the person who put